On-page SEO factors. On-page SEO, search engine optimization, refers to the optimization of individual web pages to improve their search engine rankings and attract organic traffic. It involves various factors and techniques that can be implemented directly on a web page to make it more search engine friendly. Here are some important on-page SEO factors to consider. High-quality content. Create unique, valuable, and relevant content that addresses the needs of your target audience. Use proper grammar and spelling to ensure readability and credibility. Keyword optimization. Research and select relevant keywords for each page. Include keywords naturally in the title, headings, subheadings, and throughout the content. Avoid keyword stuffing, which can lead to penalization. Title tags. Craft descriptive and compelling title tags for each page. Place important keywords near the beginning of the title tag. Keep titles concise, around 60 characters, to ensure they display properly in search results. Meta descriptions. Write informative and engaging meta descriptions that summarize the content. Include relevant keywords but make it enticing for users to click. Header tags, H1, H2, H3, etc. Organize content with clear and structured headers. Use H1 tags for the main title and H2, H6 tags for subheadings, as needed. Image optimization. Use descriptive file names for images. Include alt text to provide context for images, which is important for accessibility and SEO. Internal linking. Link to other relevant pages within your website using anchor text. This helps search engines understand your site's structure and improves user navigation. External linking. Include high-quality outbound links to reputable sources for additional information. Avoid excessive linking to low-quality or spammy websites. Mobile friendliness. Ensure your website is responsive and mobile-friendly, as Google prioritizes mobile-first indexing. Page speed. Optimize images and reduce unnecessary scripts to improve page loading times. Fast-loading pages are favored by search engines and provide a better user experience. URL structure. Use descriptive and clean URLs that include relevant keywords. Avoid using long, convoluted URLs with numbers and symbols. Secure website, HTTPS. Secure your website with an SSL certificate, HTTPS, to protect user data, and gain a slight SEO boost. Schema markup. Implement structured data markup, schema.org, to provide search engines with additional context about your content, potentially leading to rich snippets in search results. User experience, UX. Ensure a user-friendly design and navigation to reduce bounce rates and increase user engagement. Content updates. Regularly update and refresh your content to keep it relevant and informative. Social sharing. Include social sharing buttons to encourage users to share your content, potentially increasing visibility and traffic. Avoid duplicate content. Prevent duplicate content issues by using canonical tags and consistently updating your website's sitemap. Monitoring and analysis. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor your website's performance and make data-driven improvements. Remember that SEO is an ongoing process, and it may take time to see significant results. Continuously monitor your on-page SEO efforts and adapt your strategy based on performance and search engine algorithm updates. Are you struggling to attract customers and increase your sales online? Introducing our web development and SEO services, designed to skyrocket your visibility and drive more traffic to your website. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. Our expert team of web developers and SEO specialists will work tirelessly to optimize your website, ensuring that it ranks higher in search engine results. With our cutting-edge strategies, we'll help you attract the right audience and turn them into loyal customers. Imagine the impact of having your website appear on the first page of Google search results. With increased visibility, you'll gain credibility and trust from potential customers, leading to higher conversion rates. Our tailored approach to web development ensures that your site not only looks aesthetically pleasing but also engages visitors, and encourages them to take action. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grow your business exponentially. Take advantage of our web development and SEO services today and increase your sales and profits like never before. Contact us now for a free consultation with our experts who will create a customized plan just for you.